stuck with a person forever. Oh! Don't laugh at me. This is bullshit.
I'm not laughing.
I
God.
can't even peel this onion so I can get done. My eyes.
Shit.
The burning. Make it stop. Ow! Son of a bitch, put a lid on these bad boys. Where's the lids? I don't even know where the lids are. Where the fuck are the lids? I can't see. I rubbed that into my eye.
I did too.
Ow!
This is bad. Ow, motherfucker.
Oh, I can't see. Oh shit, the lid's right there. I was like,
Ow, fuck.
oh man.
Oh, fuck.
That blow. Woo.
Ow, motherfucker.
Oh, you got a little beer gut going on.
Oh, I do. I drink a lot of beer. Oh, fuck that. Oh, I told you it does it worse than me. God damn it. I didn't even touch him. Oh, fuck. Didn't even cry that much, man. I was fucking crying like this whole time. Look at my fucking eyes. They're red as fuck. I look like I'm hot. Oh, so Subway sucks dick.
Yeah, Subway for being that fucking sucks ass. Don't laugh at me. Never work at Subway. I hope nobody's in here, because last time I was talking shit, somebody was in here. You're just gonna take a video of me cleaning?
Yeah. It's going on iFunny.
This is not going on my funny.
Yes, it is.
No!
Yes, it
You
is.
better not, you little turd.
Okay, you can't call me little turd when I'm in the same age as you.
You're a little turd. Damn it.
I like those close-ups. You should like do some more close-ups.
No. I said I'm ugly and I don't have no makeup on. No pictures, please. My eyes are still fucking burning.
Don't rub it. It makes it worse.
Shut up. Will you throw out the boxes?
Throw out the motherfucking box sets.
Booty. Look at that booty.
Oh, shut up. Get out of here.